Hey, it's Chris, your drone geek from the Droning Company, and today we're discussing an announcement that was made this morning by Skydio. They are officially leaving the consumer drone space. What does this mean for the industry? Let's talk about it. So this morning, Skydio put out an announcement on their social media platforms that reads as follows. An update for our Skydio communities. After careful consideration, we have made the decision to sunset our consumer drone offerings and shift our focus to exclusively serve enterprise and public sector customers. While Skydio 2 has been an incredible success in enabling new kinds of content capture, Skydio drones are also having a transformative impact for over 1,500 enterprise and public sector customers, putting sensors in dangerous and important places to perform inspections, find missing children, and enable safety for our troops around the world. We know this may be disappointing for some of our consumer fans. Please know that we remain committed to supporting existing customers with Skydio 2 and 2 Plus drones and will continue to provide software updates and customer service. This is an exciting new chapter for Skydio. Though our consumer offerings are sunsetting, the Skydio ethos endures to create technology that saves lives and unlocks human potential. So if you go over to my channel, The Drone Geek, I'll have the video linked up here in the corner, you'll see my true thoughts and feelings on this. Here on the Droning Company's channel, I'm merely going to report the facts, and I'm going to talk very objectively about this whole thing. So it is probably not the greatest thing that we're losing a company on the consumer side of things, because that just decreases competition, which can sometimes slow down innovation. But when you consider that Skydio does have a second-to-none autonomous flight system on board almost all of their drones, and you assume that they are going to use all of those freed up resources that once served the consumer sector and apply them entirely to the enterprise and public safety sector, there's some really interesting possibilities for drone application in the very near future, especially as Blue UAS becomes more and more prominent with US drone operations. Either way, this is a huge development in the world of drones. Whether you think that Skydio has had a competing product in the consumer sector for a long time or not, this is definitely going to shift the makeup of the industry as a whole. What do you think? Let us know down in the comments below. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up icon and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon as well. Until next time, I'm Chris the Drone Geek with the Droning Company. See you later.